on treating with bromine water, then we get 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So for avoiding this tri-substitution and we need only mono substituted products, then first aniline is treating with acid chloride. Due to the presence of this NH2 functional group, it is a highly activated group. That is the reason we get a tri-substituted product. So first we deactivate this NH2 group by acylation. Acylation you know by treating with acid chloride. Aniline on treating with benzene ring with NH2 on treating with acid chloride. Acid chloride you know CH3COCl acid chloride. H is there, HCl elimination. Then we get benzene ring with here only NH is remaining. Here from this one hydrogen combined with the Cl to form HCl, which is eliminated. Then a bond is formed between them. Here the remaining is COCH3. This is known as acetanilide. Then we carried out the bromination. Then get only para substituted product. Para means you know this is aniline. The adjacent carbon atom, this position is known as ortho position. This is known as meta position. Just opposite is known as para position. This is adjacent, so this is ortho. And this is also meta. So two ortho and meta positions are here in benzene ring and only one para position is present. So here due to the presence of this NHCOCH3 group, only para substituted product we get. We carried out the bromination. Bromine is substituted in the benzene ring. So here benzene ring with NHCOCH3 is there. Here you know here one hydrogen atom is there. In this all corners hydrogen atom is present. We don't write. So this hydrogen atom react with one bromine atom to form HBr elimination. HBr is eliminated, then remaining one bromine atom is there. This is substituted here. This hydrogen react with one bromine atom to form HBr. The remaining one bromine atom is substituted. This is known as para-bromoacetanilide. Then which on hydrolysis? Hydrolysis means water consists of H and OH. Then here the bond become breaks and H is added here and OH is added here. Then we get the product. Major product is benzene ring with NH2. In para position bromine is attached. Then now here we get a mono substituted product, para bromoaniline or 4-bromoaniline. Next reaction is nitration. Nitration means on adding concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, then NO2 group is substituted in the benzene ring. NH2 group is an ortho and para directing group. That is, on adding nitric acid and sulfuric acid, then NO2 group is coming from this mixture. This group is substituted on ortho and its para position. Aniline on nitration at 288 Kelvin, then NO2 group is substituted on para position. NH2 already there. This NO2 group is coming from this mixture. This NO2 group is substituted on para position 51%. That is a 4-nitroaniline. And 47% is a meta-nitroaniline or 1,2,3-nitroaniline, and this is 2-nitroaniline or ortho-nitroaniline 2%. Here we know this NH2 group is ortho and para directing group, but here we get 47% meta-nitroaniline also. Why this meta-nitroaniline is formed? Because this is a strong acidic medium. This is aniline. Medium is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So from here H plus ions are released. Aniline is basic in nature. It accepts this H plus ion from the medium to form anilinium ion. Listen, benzene ring NH accept H plus, then form 2 is there, 1 H is added, then become H3, this plus is added, then become anilinium ion. This is anilinium ion. This NH3 plus group is meta directing group, so the incoming group is goes to the meta position. That is the reason we get 47% meta nitro aniline also, because of the formation of anilinium ion. This is a stronger acid medium release H plus ion. These H plus ions are accepted by aniline to form anilinium ion, which is a meta directing. Anilinium ion consists of NH3 plus group. This is a meta directing group, so we get meta substituted product also. Then we need only mono substituted product. Then we carried out the acylation, aniline on treating with acid chloride. Then we get acetanilide. Then we deactivate the NH2 group. Then only the substitution is on the para position. Concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid is added. Then we get NO2 group on para position. Then on hydrolysis, here the bond break and H is added. OH is added here. Then we get the regain the NH2 group and NO2 group is substituted on para position, para nitro aniline. The last reaction is sulfonation. Sulfonation means adding only sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid on adding to aniline. Sulfuric acid is adding to aniline. NH2, aniline, NH2, H2SO4. H2SO4 means H plus and HSO4 minus. At a time it releases one H plus ion, accept this NH2 group because it is basic in nature. So accept H plus to form NH3 plus, the remaining is HSO4 minus. This is known as anilinium hydrogen sulfate. This product is known as anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating at 453 to 473 Kelvin, then a rearrangement takes place in this compound, and then we get a rearrangement takes place inside this compound, and we get NH2 group is here and SO3H group is attached here. NH2 group is here and SO3H group is attached here. SO3H group is known as sulfonic acid group and NH2 group is known as amino group. This is known as sulfanilic acid. Sulfanilic acid. The sulfanilic acid, here SO3H group means SO3 minus and H plus. Release this H plus ion, and this NH2 group end is basic in nature, accept that H plus ion. Bases are substance which accept H plus ion. So SO3H group acids are substance which release H plus ion. So this is acidic and release H plus ion. This H plus ion is accepted by this basic and NH2 group, then become NH3 plus. Here the SO3 minus is remaining, release that H plus ion. So this sulfanilic acid exists as a Switter ion. This dipolar structure is known as Switter ion.